Hey, have you ever gone to see a psychic or a tarot reader and thought, wow, I would love to do what they do? Have you ever gone to a crystal shop or a metaphysical shop, picked up a tarot deck like this, and wondered what the Judgment card means? What does the Ten of Swords mean? What does the Hierophant mean? What does the Wheel of Fortune mean? What does the Devil mean? What does it mean if it's reversed? Well, I'm offering you the opportunity right now to join myself, spiritual teacher and intuitive healer, and master tarot reader, along with students from all around the world for my 2022 comprehensive tarot reading course. I'm going to teach you how to read the tarot. By the end of the course, you will be proficient at reading for yourself or for others. We're going to go through every single card comprehensively, plus the basics of how to read the tarot, how to connect with your deck, how to keep and cleanse your deck, how to do all sorts of different types of spreads, how to develop your other clairvoyant skills to go along with the tarot, and so much more. It is the most comprehensive tarot course out there, and it is the best value out there. You will be shocked when you see how low the price is, considering you get 35 hours of live instruction from myself. Take a listen to what one of my students said about the Comprehensive Tarot Reading course.
What I really appreciated about the course, I've taken many courses before, but what I really appreciated about this course was the depth that you went into about each particular card. There was a lot of thoughtful presentation put into it. And then I really liked, how you had your sheets up there, like your cheat sheets and everything. Just the amount of information that you gave was very, very helpful. Complete tarot course for sure.
I'm offering $100 off if you see this video and register before or on the day of the next class on May 14th. There's 12 live classes left, one recorded class to get caught up on, plus course notes. There's a book to get along with the course and journals as well. It's comprehensive. You also get a free 45-minute reading with me, and you get a certificate of completion if you complete the course. Last time I took total beginners to, by the end of the course, being able to proficiently read the tarot. It's an incredible skill to have. The tarot is a lifelong friend. So please join me, Matthew John, and students from all around the world for my 2022 Comprehensive Tarot Reading course. The live calls are on Saturdays at 5 p.m. in New York, 2 p.m. in Los Angeles, and 10 p.m. in London. The link to register and read all the information is somewhere around here. You can find it. You're smart.